I'm about to give you guys the top 5 high-ticket dropshipping products that are making at least 6 figures a month for other sellers right now. By definition, higher ticket dropshipping products are sold for higher prices, anywhere between $200 and upwards of $10,000. And because of this, your profit margins are significantly higher, or in other words, you're making a lot more profit per sale. But at the same time, these products are much harder to sell because of their price tags. But if you do things right, it's all worth it. So if that's a trade-off you're willing to make, let's go over our first high-ticket dropshipping product. All right, so the first high-ticket product I have for you is this solar lamp that you can see right here. It actually pairs up with your phone. It can change colors. It has a Bluetooth speaker built in. It's 100% solar powered. It's weatherproof. This is just a great product right here. Although you can see that hefty price tag on AliExpress of $160, I would definitely reach out to multiple suppliers and try to negotiate this price much lower, because that's a lot for this lamp right here. At most, I would probably pay like $60 or $70 after having it shipped. There's no reason you should be paying almost $200 for this lamp just from your supplier. But we'll go ahead and pull up the numbers for this product right here, looking at a brand called Nocturne. Their website is hellonocturne.com. They have 3 products, almost 500 sales over the last 30 days, and over $111,000 in revenue during that time. You can go ahead and pull up their sales chart right here. And you can see that their sales are pretty consistent for the most part. We'll get rid of this. We'll scroll down a little bit. Okay, and you can see their only product down here is this Firefly 2.0 lamp. They uploaded it in January of 2023. They're selling it for $225. They've made almost 500 sales and over $110,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. That additional $1,000 in revenue is probably made up with like warranty upgrades or shipping upgrades or anything similar. And we can see right here that they're doing all of their advertising on Facebook ads. You can actually click on this icon and we can take a look at all of their active ads right now. Actually brought us to another brand, Nocturne. This one's actually a clothing brand. You can see all of their active ads instead. And although if you search the term on Facebook ads, I'm not seeing the one that we're looking for to begin with. So we'll go back in here. And by the way, guys, this is a tool that I use every single day called Zik Analytics. You can search for winning Shopify stores, winning products. You can see how much sales they're actually making. You can track their ads. You can source their suppliers. You can see everything to do with each one of these Shopify stores. It's a great tool. Like I said, I've been using it every single day myself for a little over a year. And I've used this to find some of my best performing products in my own Shopify stores, products that are doing 6 and 7 figures a month for other sellers right now. So if you're interested, I'll go ahead and leave a link for Zik down below. You can actually get started for as little as $1 right now. So if you're interested in that, I highly recommend checking it out. So we'll go over to Nocturne's actual product page over here. You can see this is the Firefly 2.0 lamp that we already took a look at. This is the exact product page that's doing over $111,000 a month. And you can see already that it's well branded. They have their brand colors on display. Their description flows very well. They have customer reviews and testimonials down here at the bottom of the page. They have all their listed benefits and features of this actual product. They do a great job displaying this product, justifying that $225 pricing point. And if you guys build a similar product page to this, you should have no problem selling this lamp on your own store. All right, so the next product that I have for you guys is definitely a strange kind of product. I've talked about this on my channel in the past, and you guys have probably seen this all over TikTok, but this is the human dog bed that you can see right here. So it's just a dog bed that's literally human size, and it's selling all over TikTok, all over Facebook for reasons I can't explain. So on AliExpress, it's selling for $74. There's multiple listings of this exact same product. You can definitely get it down to like $30 or $40 depending on your supplier. You guys can see over here too, all of this content you can take right off of this AliExpress listing. We'll move over to Zik Analytics and we'll pull up the numbers for this exact same product. We're looking at the human dog bed. They're an Australian brand. They're a 1 product store. They have over 580 sales and over $150,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. We'll take a look at their sales chart right here. You can see that they dipped down a little bit over the last month, but overall they are pretty consistent on a month-to-month basis. We'll hide their chart. You can see that they don't have any active social or ad channels, so I'm not actually sure how they're generating all of these sales. But we scroll down and we can see this product right here, the human dog bed. It was uploaded in September of 2023. They're selling it for $255. Like I said, it has over 500 sales and almost $150,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. They obviously make up the other $2,000 in revenue using some sort of an upsell or shipping upgrade. But let's go ahead and take a look at their actual product page. So this is the exact same product page that's doing $150,000 a month for this one product store. We have the human dog bed. Everything's well branded. You can see they're selling it for $295. They have two different color options down here, like gray and charcoal, two different sizing options. You scroll down, they have a decent description. I mean, it flows pretty well. They could clean up some of these product images. They have their FAQs. They don't have any reviews or testimonials. I would definitely clean this product page up a lot more. I would add some sort of a sticky add to cart button that follows you as you scroll down the page. Some sort of a shipping upgrade or an upsell, whether it's to get people to buy 2 of these at a time or even a similar product. But overall, it's a decent description. It's like a 7 out of 10. And I mean, it's doing $150,000 a month, so you really can't complain. Like if you copied everything from this exact same product page and built your own store around it, you should have no problem hitting 6 figures a month with the right marketing. You just really have to double down on your content approach and create some high quality content around these products. But that stands true for any dropshipping product, high ticket, low ticket, digital, it doesn't matter. So we'll go back to Zik one more time. And we can go ahead and click on this icon right here, this AliExpress icon. And it's gonna go ahead and scan AliExpress for the best suppliers for this product. So you can see some of these dog beds down here aren't exactly what you're looking for, but then you'll find the other ones like this human-sized dog bed right here being sold for $74. Let's see, another one right here sold for $80. And you just want to compare a bunch of these different suppliers, see which suppliers are trustworthy and which ones aren't, and then reach out to multiple suppliers and see who can get you the fastest shipping, but most importantly, the best pricing for this. All right, so for our next product, I haven't been able to find an exact match on AliExpress. This is the closest I've come across. So if you want to sell this product yourself, you'll definitely want to do a lot more digging out there and find a good supplier for this product. Or if you need any help, reach out to me and I can help you find a supplier for this product right here, or any of the products that we're talking about. But anyways, the product that I had in mind is a smart baby changing pad. We'll go over to Zik Analytics. We're taking a look at the brand Wobble Baby. They're a one product store. They have over 700 sales and over $200,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. They're active on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, as well as X. So they have a very active social media presence, unlike some of the other brands that we've already gone over. Let's take a look at their sales chart. You can see that their sales are pretty consistent for the most part. They have a couple dips within the month, but this is a higher ticket dropshipping product. Like take a look down here. Here's their exact same product. Here's the Wobble Smart Changing Pad. They're selling it for $300. And like I already mentioned, it's doing about $220,000 in revenue for them every single month. And here's that product page that's doing nearly $250,000 for this brand on a monthly basis. Here's a Wobble Smart Changing Pad. They're selling it for $300. They don't have an offer in place right now. Typically you see some sort of a compare at price, like $600. You can say half off, you're getting it for $300. But obviously it's working pretty well for this brand, so they don't need an offer in place for this. We'll scroll down, they have their key features down here. They have some high quality product images. So this links directly up to your phone. It's got a ton of features like warming, an LED light, music, everything you need. Has all of their features down here. And overall, this description flows very well. They have some high quality content and graphics of the product in use. They have some videos down here that you can watch, more testimonials, social proof, more FAQs. They don't have a review section. It looks like the only reviews you can look at are this little sliding bar right here. But overall, this is a really clean and professional looking product page. I can see why this brand is doing 6 figures a month with this one product. All right, so our next product is another product that I recently talked about on this channel, but wait till you see the numbers that it's currently doing right now. So right here we have a weighted blanket. They're being sold on multiple listings on AliExpress. You can get it anywhere between $20 and $90 depending on the actual weight. But on average, you're sourcing this product between $30 and $40 shipped to your customer. Moving over to Zik Analytics, it's being sold by the brand Sutton Home Fashions. They're a one product store. They're doing all their advertising on Facebook. They have almost 500 sales and $137,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. Pull up their sales chart, and you can see that their sales are pretty consistent. They had 2 dips in the last month, right here on the 2nd, and then over here on the 9th and 10th. But overall, this product is doing very well for this brand right here. We'll get rid of the sales chart. We'll scroll down, and you can see right here, we have the 15-pound microfiber weighted blanket with the duvet cover. They're selling it for $279. Like I already mentioned, it's done almost $140,000 in revenue for this one product store. We'll go over to their product page. We see we're here on the Sutton Home Fashions website. They have their 15-pound weighted blanket right here. Some content obviously taken right off of AliExpress. I mean, this is some high quality content. It does look pretty good. They don't have much of a description down here because I mean, you're selling this product for $280 and this is the only description you have down here. There's no FAQs, there's no reviews, there's no social proof. There's not much to this product page. I don't know how they're doing $140,000 a month with this product. It just goes to show if you build something similar to this and you have good marketing, you can easily hit 6 figures a month with a simple product like this. There's so many brands out there that are already taking advantage of the high demand behind these blankets. You might as well be the next one. All right, so for our 5th and final product in this video, I just want to show you guys an example and you'll see what I mean in just a moment. So we have this simple product right here. It's one of those U-shaped toothbrushes. This is actually a more expensive listing. I see these all over AliExpress for like $2 and $3. This one right here is $25. So you definitely want to find a better supplier for this product. If we move over to the actual brand that's selling this product on Zik Analytics, you can see we have the brand Sonic Brush. They're based in the US. They're doing all of their advertising on Facebook ads. They have 9 different products, unlike many of the one product stores we took a look at. They have over 2,300 sales over the last 30 days and $250,000 in revenue during that time. We'll take a look at their sales chart. They only have one dip in the last month, maybe a slight one there right around now. But overall, their sales are really consistent. We'll get rid of that and we'll take a look at their products down here. This is what I want to show you guys. You guys have your single brushes down here, like the kids brush that sells for $60. You have the adult one that sells for $60. But then you can create bundles. You have the Family Smile bundle right here. That's the kids and the adult for $250. You have the Essentials bundle down here. This one's only being sold for $85. But then you have the Ultimate Gift bundle right up here at the top that's being sold for $300 and it's making them a bulk of their income. It's bringing in $81,000 a month for this brand. And same thing for this Family Smile bundle down here. That's bringing in about $65,000 a month for this brand. So you can see all of their single toothbrushes, like this kids one right here, it's bringing in $15,000 a month. They have their adult one, another $15,000 a month. But when you create these bundles, you're creating significant value for your customers, and that's usually what they flock towards. Consumers are more likely to purchase these bundles than just purchase individual toothbrushes because they're already buying it for their family anyways. They feel like they're getting a good deal. And at the end of the day, these are the kind of offers you want to push. So let's go ahead and take a look at their Ultimate Gift bundle. You can see everything included in this package right here. It's being sold for $300. They have a compare at price of $725. Scroll down and it tells you what's included in this package. You get 5 of those adult mouthpieces. You get 5 of those disinfection boxes. And they even add urgency to their offer right here. It says the offer ends in just 17 hours. And then they have the what's included. So you get 5 of those brushes, 5 mouthpieces, 5 storage boxes. You can ask them questions. They don't have any reviews on this product page or any FAQs or anything else. So look how simple this product page is. Like this is their entire description right here. They reiterate their offer a couple of times. They're selling it for $300, and this page right here is bringing in $81,000 every 30 days for this brand. That's incredible. So that's everything you need to know about high ticket dropshipping and which products are working for other sellers in 2025. You guys should be able to sell any of the products in this video because the demand is there, and these products are increasing in revenue every single month. And of course, if you need any help along the way, feel free to reach out. I can help you get started with high ticket dropshipping. If you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. I have a ton of free resources linked down below for you guys, like my free course to help you get started. And of course, don't forget to check out Zik Analytics, the product research tool we use to find every one of these products we just went over. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.